Good day to you. This is Mr. K's, and this is 30.3a. 30.3a. Remember, China has had problems trying to get rid of Europeans, and when World War I happens, Europeans leave to go kill each other, and China is trying to get their act together. Imperial China is going to collapse. When we talk about Imperial China, we're talking about the emperor ruling, or the empress ruling. Tradition versus modernization and control by foreigners plagued China in the early 1900s. Tradition versus modernization and control by foreigners plagued China in the early 1900s. Coming out of the Taiping Rebellion and the Boxer Rebellion and World War I happening, we have the formation of the Nationalist Party. It's called the Kuomintang. Kuomintang. They desired modernization and nationalization for China. Nationalization for China. Modernization and nationalization for China. When I say nationalization, they wanted to control all the factories and the ways of making a living in China. To nationalize means to take foreign businesses and make them their own. A key figure in the Kuomintang, and the leader of the Kuomintang was Sun Yat-sen, also known as Dr. Sun Yat-sen. Dr. Sun Yat-sen. Sun Yat-sen, the leader of the Kuomintang. He was educated in the United States, so he had an idea of what Westernization was. In 1911, the last emperor of the Qing dynasty was overthrown. The last emperor of the Qing dynasty was overthrown. The Qing had ruled since 1644. So we've got about almost 300 years of Qing rule. 1912, Sun Yat-sen, or Sun Yat-sen, is president of the Republic of China. He's the president of the Republic of China. There's no more rule by the emperor. Now it's something different. All the way up to 1912, China had been ruled by emperors. The goals of nationalism, democracy, livelihood. Nationalism, democracy, livelihood. Livelihood means way of making a living. China supported the Allies in World War I. China supported the Allies in World War I, yet did not receive former German territories at the end of the war. Yet did not receive former German territories. They were still not China's. China supported the Allies in World War I, yet did not receive former German territories. This angered China. They thought they were going to get some of that territory back. The May 4th movement was a protest of the Treaty of Versailles. The May 4th movement was a protest of the Treaty of Versailles. Because of that the Allies did not treat China fair, they moved towards nationalism. Where China would rule China. That was their goal. How did this play out? We will see next time in this is 30.3a. 30.3a. See you down the road.